Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our ice cream beauty box for the month of September. For those of you who are not familiar with this box, I promise you I will leave you all the details down below. It's very affordable, but you get so much bang for your buck. I'm just saying. So what's included in this subscription service is a minimum of 5 products, okay? And trust me, the dollar value on it is many times over. Okay, so if you'd like to see what came inside of this month's box, just keep watching. Okay, so this one is one of the boxes that still has a description card in it, and it tells you thank you so much for purchasing. We hope you enjoy. Okay, so the theme for this month is Enchanted Forest. All right, so we're going to get right into this. The very first item that we have is by ZEESEA Cosmetics. They are pretty popular in this box, okay? And this is the Champagne Gold Twist Eyeliner with Sharpener, okay? And it says finish off your look with this golden eyeliner, which contains a little secret at the bottom. The metallic end opposite the cap is removable. There is a sharpener built into the product. It is also twistable so that you can retract the liner as well. They thought of everything with this product, okay? Now it says that this is actually called the Paint Color Bright Eyeliner, all right? And of course, this was the outside packaging, but this is what the inside packaging looks like, okay? Not bad, right? Okay, it's actually very nice looking. All right, and this one is a 300 milligram size, and as they stated, the shade we have is gold, and this is beautiful. All right, so I took the top off so that you could see it. This is what it looks like. Now, it did tell us that at the bottom, there is a sharpener, okay? Just take it out when you're finished. I'm gonna say wipe it off and put it back inside. All right, so this one is item number 1. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this product is $24. All right. Now, unfortunately, I was getting ready to say there is no expiration date on here, but it is. It says the expiration date is June 14th, 2026. Okay. So we have plenty of time to enjoy this, which also means we will be swatching it at the end though, okay? So this one is item number 1. Item number 2 is by the company Delancey, and this one is a multi-chrome eyeshadow palette, and this is what the outside packaging looks like, and it says a collection of 4 beautifully enhancing multi-chrome shades. Add some extra color to your look with this beautiful palette. This palette was chosen to complement the other shades in the box. It is sparkly and butterly. That's real interesting, okay? It should say, it is sparkly and buttery smooth. Apply with your finger or a flat brush for best results, okay? Now let's go ahead and take a look at the inside and see what it looks like. Oh, these are gorgeous. Woohoo! Multi-chrome indeed. Look at that. All right, and it says this one is a 0.16 ounce size or 4.8 grams. And it is a cruelty-free product with a 12-month shelf life. Okay, so it says this was put in the box to complement other shades. Okay, we're going to keep going so we can see what these other shades are that they're talking about. Okay, so that one is item number 2. Item number 3. Oh, this is one of my favorites. I love their packaging. It is gorgeous. This is by Ace Beauty, okay? And this one is the Pout Perfect Liquid Lipstick. And this one says this liquid lipstick is both comfortable and pigmented. That it definitely is. Fall in love with these fall shades we've chosen. The matte air whipped formula glides on easily and distantly. Okay, typos just send me over the edge. Okay, so I'm sorry. It should say, the matte air whipped formula glides on easily and instantly to lock in color. It's long lasting and lightweight. The packaging is also incredibly beautiful, which is always a fun plus. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. All right, now this one says the shade that I have is called Ambition, and it is a 0.12 ounce size or 2.5 grams. It is a cruelty-free product, and it has a 12-month shelf life. Now, I said that this is what the shade Ambition shows on the box, but you know, we're gonna open it so you can see what it looks like. And when they talk about the packaging, the outside of the box is gorgeous, but look at that. I don't know if you've ever seen Death Becomes Her, but the formula that they have in that movie, the container that it's in looks like this. Frank, do you remember that?
Remember what's the
Death Becomes Her?
yes.
Look. You can see? I just asked my husband and he just laughed. He knew exactly what I meant. So this is beautiful. Now, even though it only has a 12-month shelf life, I may very well swatch it. But from the way it looks on here, this looks like a, let me show you, a NARS shade that I have. And I wear it so often, it's here at my desk. This is that shade, okay? So I'm gonna swatch it now and I'll wipe it off before we're ready. Actually, maybe not. The packaging looks the same, but when I swatch the inside, it doesn't look anything like that at all. So we'll see in a minute, okay? Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this beautiful lippy is $18. So it's beautiful and affordable. Those are pluses, okay? Then the next item we received this in our beauty bag as well. But the next one is by Illuminati Cosmetics, and this is Allure. And this is a lip gloss, and it says it's a clear lip gloss by Illuminati Cosmetics with some gold glitter. This is perfect to be used on its own or on top of a matte lipstick to add a bit of extra shine and sparkle to it. All right, now, I'm sure you already heard about it in the other one, but it has an 18-month shelf life, and it is a cruelty-free product. All right, so I'm not sure I'm going to open this one because this one is a clear one with a shimmer, and I have lots of clear glosses open. Okay, so nonetheless, this is the next item, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $20. Okay, we have one more, and I'm gathering this is the one that has the shades that they were talking about, the eyeliner complementing. This one is by MOONSLICE Beauty. We've been getting palettes from them for the last couple of months, and they have been gorgeous. So who knows? Maybe soon I'll have quite a few out of their line. But this is Moonshake or New Moon. Now, the reason it says it's or because we had a chance to choose which one we want. What I chose was New Moon, and that's exactly what I got. Okay, so it says, what better way to get ready for fall than one of these two fall palettes? Both palettes are being featured in New York Fashion Week this month. They contain beautiful mattes, shimmers, and duochromes. Make sure to use an eyeshadow primer or glitter glue with these. Want to purchase more from this brand? They're giving you an exclusive 45% off code. How about that? Now, I'm going to tell you right now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this palette that was featured at Fashion Week, okay, is $30. So 45% off, you're paying less than $20 for the palette. Okay, and it has 15 shadows in it. 15. Okay, now in addition to that, it has a 24-month shelf life, and it is a 0.79 ounce size, and it is a cruelty-free product, and it is also vegan. Okay, would you like to take a look at the shades? I'm sure you would. So it does come with a full mirror. So we're going to take the box and cover it, and I'm going to show you this. Is this gorgeous or what? You could use this for the entire fall season and create a different look every single time. It has great transition shades, beautiful greens and browns and tans. Oh, this is gorgeous. Let's see. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts? Let me know down below. If you already have this palette, or it's something that you think you're thinking about getting, put FW down in the comment section. Why FW? Fashion Week, of course. But just go ahead and put that down. Let me see how many of you have it or are considering getting it. Okay? Especially with 45% off. But I'll tell you what, think about this. You'll pay about a little less than $20 for it, right? But if you add $5 to it, or if this is your first time, I have a code down below to get you some money off on your first box in this subscription. Go ahead and do that. Get the palette and everything else that was included. How about that? Okay, but of course you'll have to do it quickly because these do not last. Okay, I have not seen a month, probably in the last 4 months or so, where a monthly box has actually been left over for the next month. So if it's something that you're thinking about doing, you may want to hurry. Okay, so let's just swatch. We are at that time. Now I can see exactly why they said that. Oh, and it has a black. It has a black in it, y'all. But I can see why they said the eyeliner would go very well with these shades. I can see it with every single one of them. So, but what we'll do, we're going to swatch the black, of course. Look at that. Look at this black. Okay, and we're going to do a green shimmer duochrome. Nope, it's a multi-chrome. And also, let's try an orange. There are those three right there. Okay. Then we're going to take our Delancey palette and let's just do the regular shimmer and this green brown shade. Ooh, that is pretty. Look at that. Okay, here are our swatches. The top three, well actually these three, came from our MOONSLICE palette. And the other two came from the Delancey palette. Gorgeous, right? Okay, let's add some more onto it. And we're going to go ahead and swatch the eyeliner. Ooh, yes. Look at that. Right across the bottom, that's the eyeliner. Gorgeous, right? I said in my previous video how shimmers are coming back. I'm not sure they left now that I think about it. Now that I think about it, I'm not sure. But I'm going to go ahead and take this off and we're going to swatch this lipstick. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put this one on. Now, bear in mind, very little lip liner here. What do you think of that? Now, of course, I'm going to put some liner on it. I'm not a fan of it like this. I mean, not that it's bad, but for me, I would rather have it lined. But it's beautiful. And that was just one swatch. I didn't dip it back in at all. So for it to just be one and it's pigmented and smooth and non-sticky like this, definitely here for it. You know, I told you I have another shade already. I'll show you that one. This one I have from Ace Beauty. This one is called Manifest. Okay, that's what that one looks like. Much lighter than this one. Okay. But beautiful, smooth, silky. I'm telling you, it is not sticky at all. So I don't think I've seen, well, nonetheless. So just tell me your thoughts. Is this something that you would consider getting? I'm just, I like it myself. So I can only speak for me. These are gorgeous. Can do wonders with them all. Okay. Absolute wonders with them all. Okay. So I just want to tell you that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our ice cream beauty box for the month of September. These are the items that were included in our box. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included. Okay. Now, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. You know it's free for you to come on over, right? Do what you got to do. Come on. We're waiting for you, okay? Make sure you share this video with someone else. Tell them the item, the main palette in this box, was featured in Fashion Week. How about that, okay? All right, now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.